Hi, this is Lucia with The Art of Love. Today I want to answer a question that keeps coming up, so I thought, well, it's time to answer it. And that question is, what if we are both doing no contact? Of course, no contact is when someone breaks up with you and you do not contact them. You don't reach out, no texting, no calling, no smoke signals. So if you're doing no contact and your partner is doing no contact, or your ex-partner at this point, what is going to happen? Well, you would think the answer is obvious, but apparently not. So here we are. First of all, you can never know for sure whether your ex is doing no contact, just like they can never know for sure whether you're also doing it. So just because you haven't heard from them, it doesn't mean that they're doing it. Obviously, if neither of you ever reach out, then nothing's going to happen. You'll never speak again. You won't see each other again unless you run into each other at some point. So that should be obvious, right? However, usually what happens is that someone is going to break no contact. Hopefully, it won't be you. So if you don't break no contact, it's very possible at some point that your ex will break no contact, even if it's out of curiosity to wonder what the heck you're doing. How is it that you could just stay away, especially if you were needy and you were begging and pleading when they broke up with you, and now all of a sudden you've gone radio silent. They may just be curious, wondering if you're even alive if you're not active on social media. And even if your ex doesn't reach out, it's possible that they are trying to get you to break no contact. That's why I made a recording titled 6 Tricks Your Ex May Use to Get You to Break No Contact. So if you haven't heard from your ex, don't worry. Most of the time, an ex will reach out. Not necessarily to get back together. You can't assume they're reaching out to get back together. But they will reach out for one reason or another. So your job is to know what to do when they reach out so you're prepared. And the way to do that is to either watch my videos or listen to my podcasts, or you can take a more personal approach and have a coaching session with me where we can work out a strategy of what to do when you do hear from your ex. So if you're interested in that, you can contact me at my website, theartoflove.net. Please contact me directly via the website and do not email me, as there's a good chance your email may end up in the spam folder. We wouldn't want that. If you're listening to this on iTunes, I would appreciate if you would rate and review the podcast. If you're listening on YouTube, thank you for subscribing. And finally, remember that love inspires, empowers, uplifts, and enlightens.